Dear friend, dear all friends, Namaste. I am Virendra. My channel name CEQ TV or Engineering video topic. Today's video topic, the asphalt advantage. Dear friends, today's very important our asphalt pavement in description. The asphalt advantage. Dear friends, paving with the asphalt concrete allows you to pave faster, more efficiently, more economically, and with greater survivability than within any other paving material in the world. That may seem like a party hold climb, but those who work in paving know it is true. Asphalt concrete has an obviously advantage in every paving application. The design guide will tell you about this advantage. Dear friends, smoothness. This picture clearly the black topping asphalt figure and picture. Asphalt will consistently give the driving public the smooth wet ride they have come to expect it from this product. Asphalt concrete is machine placed, so it has uniform surface unsecure processed by the other pavements. Repactive joints, noise, surface texture, and blowout are eliminated by this method of the construction. This future benefit airport users to asphalt concrete runway and taxiway men suffer landing and takeoff because such surfaces are smoother and easier to maintain. Dear friends, stage construction. Dear friends, this picture is very clearly an asphalt surface. A major advantage for asphalt concrete is the petronetal. For stage construction, the asphalt base course can be the places and used under traffic during initial construction. This pavement can then be overlaid with the final surface course. Stage construction improves on-site condition, remove the aspect of the muddy soil, and provided a place to the store construction material and equipment. This method also provided an opportunity to the discover and corrected anti-corrected the problem area such as oak, subgrade, poor drainage, or poor compacted. Their wishes can be the required at nominal cost. Dear friends, easy or construction. Dear friends, easy of construction. This picture is asphalt laying and asphalt concreting work. Asphalt concrete is machine placed, removing the needed for the time consuming from oak and steel reinforcement. Traffic can use the pavement almost immediately. No delete is requirement to the allow of the pavement to the grow of the lock of pavement joint, reduce maintenance requirements. Repair of an asphalt surface is quick and easy because there is little downtime waiting for the patch of the cure. Dear friends, asphalt concrete is durability. This picture, asphalt concrete is a flexible pavement with same bridging action which allows it to withstand occasions over land without season's damage. Its resistance to the frozen through at the deceasing salt allow it is to the wear better during winter. Its lock of the respective of the joints remove of the possibility of the blow up that clogs Portland cement concrete during summer, which for the inch asphalt cement concrete perform better the Portland cement concrete. Dear friends, economically, the Federal Highway Administration has shown that the dollar span of the asphalt pavements goes 26.9% further than of the dollar span of the concrete pavements. That of the because asphalt in cost effective, it has of the lower first cost than concrete, and it is lost longer stretch. Construction help spread it out of the cost of the placement because asphalt pavement has no joint to the repair and is not affected by the fracture. The action it is source of the less expense to the maintain the safety. Dear friends, safety. Asphalt pavement offer high scant resistance and the values of the dark color of the asphalt reduce the glare, help more melt ice and snow, and provided of the highest contrast for the land marking. Dear friends, recyclable and versatility. Another major advantage of the asphalt concrete is its ability to the completely recycle. Not only can the aggregate be the recourse board of the asphalt cement binder, also retains its cementing properties and can be reused in a new mix. Pavement can be the recycled both on site using cold mix or via a hot mix plate. Recycled pavement haven't been tested and proven in the both of the laboratory and the field to the perform the layers of the oil of the virgin aggregate mix. Over 90% of the hot mix asphalt placement in the row are capable using of the replacement asphalt pavement. Wrap asphalt pavement are 100% recyclable. Versatility. The versatility and popularity of the asphalt is evident of the errors of the step of the law and all America factory and the school office park and playground and the overwhelming majority of the street and the road stand of the clear testimony and of the advantage of the asphalt mark. It is America first choice of the paving and rehabilitation. Dear friends, asphalt concreting work equipment and asphalt concrete road construction work fewer. Asphalt and asphalt pavement material. Asphalt and asphalt paving material. Asphalt definited the blockade cementing aggregate known as asphalt has been used for the road construction for the centuries along of the earth's natural deposit of the asphalt or rock. Asphalt most used today is produced by the oil refining industry of the asphalt is constituted of the most petroleums and of the isolated throes of the refining process of the distillation. Asphalt is called bituminous material because it contains bituminous of the hydrocarbon material soluble of the carbon distillate of the trier obtained from the distributive of the distillation of the soft coal. Also contain vitamins both petroleum asphalt distillate of the soft coal obtaining vitamins both petroleum asphalt and coal tar are referred to as the bituminous material, whether because their properties differ greatly. Petroleum asphalt should not be the confused with local tar, whereas petroleum asphalt is composite almost entirely of the bitumen. Of the bitumen content is coal tar is related to low, the two materials should be the trait of the aspirate entries. One of the characteristics and advantage of the asphalt is our engineering, construction and maintenance material is it is great versatility. Ethos of the semi-solid or ordinary temperature truss. The asphalt may be liquefied by the applying heat, the dissolving it is solvent of the emulsify. If the asphalt is a strong cement that radiate adhesives and highly waterproof and durable marking, it is particularly useful in road building. It is also highly resistive to the action of the most acid, alkalis and salt. Conversation more than 90% of the maintenance of the pavement has as asphalt. Concrete is the most widely used paving material in the unit. Safety for the durability and ease of the construction, it is not equal. Aggregate is mineral. Aggregate are hard interior materials such as the sand, gravel, crushed stone, slime of the rock dust, properly selected and greater aggregate for mix with the cement mediums asphalt to the from pavement. Aggregate are the principal load supporting component of the asphalt concrete pavement. They total 90 to 95% of the mixture by the without 75 to 85% by the volume. Dear friends, our material dust aggregate and stone dust aggregate. Dear friends, today's topic asphalt concrete. Today's have finished. As next part is to be continued.